right, so we are just going to go right into it. Just going to start spinning. Oh,
You better put some money in there first.
All right,
if you want to spin.
We're gonna start over.
Oh, you should have left that in there.
All right. Maybe we will. We'll just leave it in there. We're gonna start spinning.
Free Flow Friday.
Yep.
Okay.
We figured we'd start with a couple hundred in the high limit room.
Yeah. We've had some decent luck on it.
Briefcase. We're looking for 3 of these briefcases, or 6 of the chips, in case you're not familiar with the game.
Oh, come on.
A little bit of 9s.
A little bit of mix and match in there.
Briefcase. Nope.
All right, come on.
A little bit cards and 9s.
So your number one symbol on this one is the roulette table.
Correct.
And then I think either cards or the lady follows up being with the second one. So I'm going to do my best to kind of narrate so Joe doesn't have to talk. Y'all can hear him coughing. Come on, 2 more.
Oh.
You're not going to stop him from saying 4, though.
Yeah.
Well, he missed it on that one, but...
All right. Well, my first 100 is gone.
All right. That was quick.
What are you thinking for yours?
All right. I'm thinking...
Oh, he's going to do it.
I'm going to do it, man. I'm going to do it. I'm going to see what we come up with. But I'm gonna throw a little extra in there every now and then just to kind of see how things are working here. There we go. Cards all the way across. This thing takes a while to add up. Oh, nice.
A little bit.
Briefcase. Okay.
4 cards and 4 9s.
And some 9ers. Man, this thing takes forever. All right, kings. We'll take it.
Oh, missing 1 more chip.
Briefcase.
No.
Is that $99?
Yeah.
Okay. It's a glare. I couldn't see it.
Briefcase. Nope.
All right. Hey, I like that sound. Bet back plus. All right. Not the bet back.
4.
That was a good one. All right, we're going to live here for a couple more spins. All right, come on.
Briefcase.
Briefcase.
Ah.
Oh, Jack's all the way across. All right. All right, ladies. Bet back plus. Okay. Calculate. All right.
Mm. All right, Will.
Give it to me. All right.
All right.
Okay.
Another opportunity.
That's all it is. It's an opportunity. Hey,
you got it. 20%.
Nice.
Come on. Briefcase. No. All right.
All
Well,
right. Moving on.
so now, because it's a free flow Friday,
Yeah.
oops, there's no edits.
No edits.
There's no editing in gambling.
We're flowing.
All right. So we're going to go. I'm going to go to that Phoenix Link machine
Okay.
and hope that that still has that max out major.
All right.
So yeah, they're renovating Kansas Star here, and they're putting in a high limit table game area. We'll see if General So, yep, still maxed out. Still maxed out. So I'm gonna throw one of my hundreds in because we each got 300 each. We're just free flowing, going, free flowing and going.
That's how you got to do it.
All
Now,
right.
what are you thinking? Nickels again?
Yeah, probably nickels. You know what? No,
No.
we'll see.
Pennies, you got a decent. Oh, you're going Cortez, Mr. Cote.
Quarters, 375.
All right. That's not a bad bet.
No, not. It's really not. It's only 15 lines though.
Yeah.
Or nope.
Flag.
2.
All right.
A little bit of cannons. 2. No. 3.
I like that 25-cent bet. Look at the blue one and the.
Yeah. Forgot to
I mean,
show you guys that.
Yeah.
but I've hit the blue one several times and multiple triple minis on this bet,
Come on, flag.
which a triple mini is $550 on this bet. So, but I'm deep in precarious zone.
Deep.
Yeah. Flag.
Flag.
Mm.
Okay, fellas.
Nope.
Oh, 15
Oh yeah,
li-
fellas. Yeah, fellas, but no shields.
Right. Okay.
Well, have you thought of a machine for
I
yourself?
have. Oh, that was loud.
Very loud.
We got a little bit of a walk to get there, but
Oh, yeah. All right.
do it, Phoenix. Got it.
Here we go.
Oh, I thought that was it.
All right.
We're gonna head over. I know where I'm taking my last 100,
Okay.
but we're gonna go to over this way
Okay.
if it's available. Because
Try and keep everybody's face out of this.
oh yeah, so you're on the back of my head. I'm
Well,
sure.
I was, and then
Yeah.
now I'm on my face. All right. What?
Oh man, somebody's on it.
Somebody's on it.
Somebody is on it.
He was looking for Golden Century.
Yes, I was. That's a possibility.
Panda's got 762.
And this chair has been up since we got here at 6 o'clock this morning.
Has it?
Yeah. I mean, there's no money or anything else in there. I'm gonna chance it.
All right.
I'm gonna do you well with some Autumn Moon.
He's choosing Autumn Moon.
Yep. You ain't got a drink over there, do you?
Nope. All right.
All right. We're going to do it on Dimeses. Uh-oh. You didn't hit it with a kerpow.
I didn't. Kerpow. 4.
Boom.
1. No.
Goodness.
It's
Really?
a lot of noise for just 3 balls.
Yeah. All right. We need to get into a bonus here. Boom.
3 more.
All right. This is one of Joe's favorite games. I like it too. When she's good. Joe has been working on his relationship with Autumn.
Yeah, she's been kind of cold lately.
They're in counseling now.
Yeah.
So
2.
are you serious? Rabbits. Those wascally wabbits.
4. Moon or something.
All right. 10's a little bit. 4, 3. Moon.
2. No.
Sunny beach. You know how our phones are always listening to us, right?
Yeah.
When I do the Moon River thing,
Oh.
I keep getting Fletch that shows up in my feed.
That's funny.
Yeah. Moon. All right.
Moon. 4.
Oh. Oh, okay. All right. Bet back plus. All right. Rabbit 10. Okay. All right. 3. All right, queen.
A little bit of rabbits too.
Rabbitos. Okay. It's been doing well. I mean, really?
Yeah.
Come on.
Keeps doing that though. When you get three reels with balls,
Yeah.
you've got to convert that into a bonus. You know,
You must convert.
you got to. All right, come on, something.
Got to have a little something here. All right, couple more spins. All right, do it right here. Come on.
Well,
Got it. Let's go. Come on.
moon.
Boo. All right.
All right.
What's your next one?
I'm thinking we're gonna go right over here
All right.
because actually no, we're gonna do this one.
Okay.
No, we're gonna do
Nope,
this one.
change your mind again.
Yeah, I was gonna do what the duck, and we're gonna look because let's see,
What the duck?
5 cents.
Yeah.
There's 3 explode, 2 bounties. 5 cents, 2 explode, 4 bounties.
4 explode and 1 bounty here.
Let's do 4 and 2 right here.
All right.
Although, what's the major?
Oh, over here, 4 and 1, 941.
This one's $9.99. Let's do this one.
All right.
All right. So the
Oh,
major. I wonder if that's maxed out. We'll find out here shortly.
I would think so.
So, what the duck? Nickels.
Never played this before.
Really?
No.
My dad and I were playing it when they installed. I don't know if I don't know if it was when they installed it, but
Right.
it's pretty early on. All right.
So for us what the duck people, you're gonna have to explain it as we go.
Yeah. This one might not be a good machine because there's that bad reflection. Well, I'm not doing that.
Nah.
All right, we gotta switch machines. So
All right. Yeah, the one to your left has a pretty high major as well.
yeah, unfortunately, the that Wheel of Fortune machine is just too big of a glare on that screen.
That's a huge machine.
And I'm still not good at that that lens that would get rid of that, because I end up just darkening one part of the screen. But there's a lens that I have that gets rid of that glare.
You know, your card.
All right. All right, well, here we go.
Let's do it.
Come on. We need one in the middle. So it's just like that one game we played where the frog eats the thing.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Same sort of concept.
All right. Okay.
I'm going down to $1.50 until we get something.
Now, what are we working with on the explode and the bounty?
That's part of the features. So when you land that thing, like I was saying, when it makes that noise, you do 1, 2, 3. It does certain things during the bonus, and I can't remember exactly what it does.
Okay.
Or, not bonus, but here we go. Come on. No, we needed one more. But I think bounty collects and explode upgrades them, because there's 3 different levels to it. So kind of like how.
Oh.
Give me a multiplier. All right.
Okay.
Ooh, $48. That's pretty good.
Now, I will say your explode and bounty changed with your denomination change.
Yes.
Okay.
It is bet dependent.
Okay.
Come on. Nah.
I'm guessing you need 3 of those.
Yep.
Funny how the game works that way.
On the queen.
Nice.
All right.
Okay.
Oh, I didn't know you can get 2 on one.
How about that?
I didn't know you could get 2 on one reel. That was weird. All right, well, I might lower my bet just because. Here we go. Come on. There
Hey. All right.
All right. You need at least 1 every spin. All right, here we go. Hit one of those blue ones again. No. But because it's 3, it means she does that 3 times every time you land it.
Got you.
Come on, bounty. Oh, was that it? We didn't get any.
It's got good volume.
Yeah. I hope it was catching it earlier because I forgot to put the microphone. Come on, do it again. Look, 5 and 5. So we really need to hit that bonus because those only go away when you hit the bonus.
Oh wow!
Just for the whole entire horseshoe bonus, you get that. You get those the ability to do those.
Is 5 the max?
I don't think so.
Okay.
Could be wrong though.
Okay.
I don't play this enough.
All right.
Kings and jacks.
Oh. Oh.
All right. Very precarious now.
It's getting there. Okay.
9. No multiplier. Oh, come on. What was that?
You didn't have a winner, so.
I know, but why did she throw something up there? I didn't have a winner.
Oh, she landed in the middle, but still, nothing.
Well. Oh, this doesn't have a wage saver.
Oh, judging it harshly.
Very. Well.
Boo.
Alrighty. What is your last?
My last one, I'm gonna go back to the one I wanted to play originally, and somebody was on it. She's not on it now. Okay.
Gonna get acquainted with the floor right quick.
Now, the other one that I was gonna do was Stinking Rich, but
Yeah.
I wanted this one earlier, so.
All right. $983 major.
I need to get that.
Have at it.
All right. Microphone, I'll let it go there.
As long as you didn't push the button again.
That was me coughing. I choked that time. All right. Did you show them what was up there?
Yeah.
There we go. I'm sure I've screwed this up now because I've touched it.
All right, go ahead.
You all right with that? All right. Got no volume. Okay. All right. Okay, we're up above it now. Sneak in at 625. I said sneak. Come on, flag. Yeah, I saw the Stinking Rich machine over there. I was like, I'm going to do that one on my last 100, but we were on this side of the casino, so. Oh. I was telling Joe earlier, this is the machine that we were playing during the live that Joe wasn't here and we hit the major on it.
Looking for a major.
Looking for it. Hell, just looking for a bonus at this point.
Yeah.
Come on, flag. Okay. Bet back plus. That's really all we can ask for. No, we can ask for more, whether or not we actually get it.
Yeah.
All right. Come on, Hank. Don't let me down. All right.
No, it's too loud.
That bumped it up a lot, didn't it?
Little bit too sensitive.
All right.
All right. Burns.
Ginger jars, right?
Yeah, ginger jar.
Yeah. All right, we're getting there. Need a little something here, Hank. Okay. Flag.
Come on.
Bet back.
Well.
Bet back.
Yeah. Well, let's see. 600 in.
Come on.
All right. Well, I'm gonna do one more 100
Okay.
on this machine.
All right. That's how free flow Friday works.
Yeah. So we're gonna be in for 700. We'll see if dimes can bring us some luck.
Dimes is. Oh.
I'm gonna sneak in a 5 every now and then.
Sneak it.
Flag? Nope.
All right.
Okay. All right. Or, it's got to give us a bonus eventually, right?
Well, yeah. In theory. That should be one of our theories. Eventually, It's got to give us a bonus. Hey, speaking of bonuses.
All right. It did, in fact, give us a bonus.
Drop that green here, man. Come on.
All right.
All right. A lot of men balls, but they add up.
That they do. Save it.
Anything?
Alright, 12 bets.
All right.
2.
Flag.
All right. We'll just turn this into the gumbo method real quick. 4, 3. Nah.
Two.
It's a $100 mini.
All right.
A little bit of ladies, a little bit of ginger jars.
Okay. That's
Jeez.
nice.
Earth.
Nice.
And it was on the $5 bet too.
Yes, sir. Two. Flags are elusive.
Yeah.
Three more.
No. Flag me.
Come on.
2.
Ah.
All right, well. Okay. Oh, 2
more,
1. No, why would you do that to me? All right, can we get another bonus?
You can do it.
I believe. Two.
Yes. Nice.
All right.
Decent sized balls in there, but
Yeah.
it was on the 250 bet, but
Whoops.
come on, green.
Save it. All right.
Okay. All right. All right, come on. There we go.
Save it. Ah,
All right, anything here. Let's go.
land it. Hey.
All right. Thanks for working with us, Hank.
Yeah.
All right, work it here, Hank. Let's go.
Save it. Oh.
All right.
Well, now we're adding in the 750 bet.
Yeah, it may have gotten you close to that 100. Maybe. Maybe not.
Too close.
Yeah.
All right, 3 backups.
All right.
And 3.
3 more. Come on.
Mm.
Ugh.
All right, $5 and 750 bet now in play.
Flag.
No.
Ah.
My effective bet's $5, so we're precarious adjacent. And we are now precarious. Come on.
All right.
All right.
Come on, flag.
Flag. No.
Boo.
3 more. Come on.
3,
2.
2.
No. That was on the 750 bet too.
Yeah,
That'd been nice.
that'd have been good.
Flag. Flag.
Flag me.
No. All right. 750. Well. Something? Nope. Return to game. 750 bet.
All right.
Didn't get it.
Da-da-da.
All right. Well, appreciate it. Like, subscribe, and comment. I'll see you on the next video.
See y'all.